Section 14 and 15 of the Public Health Act gave effect to the regulations which provide that as of today, smoking is banned in specified public places. Let me make it clear that we have not banned smoking and have no intention of trampling on anybody's rights. We are, however, insisting that your actions should not infringe on other person's right to enjoy good health. Tobacco kills up to half of its users. Every 6 seconds, someone dies from tobacco-related illness. Tobacco exposure also contributes to the prevalence of non-communicable diseases in Jamaica. From 2003, Jamaica was signatory to the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, and on July 7, 2005, we ratified the convention. The ban on smoking in public places moves us closer to meeting our obligation under the FCTC. Businesses and other entities, as described in the regulations, will be legally required to post no smoking signs at the front or elsewhere of their establishment and in other appropriate areas. Persons have been asking whether they can have smoking areas in their businesses. My answer to that is absolutely not. The regulations do not allow for this. The regulations stipulate that no smoking can take place within 5 meters of the entrance or exit of a public place and its ventilation system. The regulations also require that graphic health warnings be placed on packages containing tobacco products.
All enclosed places accessible to the public, public transportation, workplaces, government-owned and occupied buildings, and health facilities including pharmacies. The restriction also applies to sports and recreational facilities for use by the public, educational institutions, areas specifically for use by children, and places of collective use such as bus stops.
There will be a penalty attached to smoking in specified public places.
The police have very broad discretion when it comes to enforcing the law. Every infraction does not call for an arrest. And so our instructions to our members are going to be very clear, that you communicate with individuals, you assist in passing on the message of the dangers of smoking in public space. But if it gets to the point where we have to make arrests, we will have to do it. We'll have to enforce the law.
The Ministry of Health has begun an extensive public education program. You may have been seeing our ads in the newspaper. We'll also start a radio PSA on multiple stations. We have created a page dedicated to tobacco control, which we will continuously update. Our doors are open to anyone who wishes to have clarification on the issues. Tobacco is an extremely addictive drug. Nicotine is regarded as one of the most dangerous substances globally. With all the information we have available, I feel confident that we are moving in the right direction.